Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. She did it. Hey, it's Detective Dan Monk here, and here's what happened. These two upstanding citizens decided to come give my tenant a visit. Now, it's a little bit before 6 a.m., so I'm sure they got up early before they headed off to work to contribute to society to pay their friend a visit. It seems to me like they're playing a friendly game of ding-dong-ditch while their driver is letting them know that the tenant is home. Let's see what happens. Looks like they're getting a little antsy. I wonder why. Now, it seems like they have some beef with this tenant. I wonder what it could be. My thoughts? Is it drugs? Maybe boyfriends? Money? Did the tenant make a sick diss track on TikTok, calling these girls out? I don't know. Looks like the conversation's getting a little bit heated. She's not giving them their money. Well, time to head back to work. Oh look, piece of candy. On a serious note though, this is unfortunate when this type of thing happens. This was obviously a targeted attack, you could say. These people obviously knew the tenant. The tenant claims that these were the daughters of her ex-landlord, and somehow they found out where she lived, and they came over to harass her. Is that true? Not sure. Seems kind of strange to me, unless possibly she owed that landlord money. She said this lady is a whack job. I'm not sure. But as you see, the police arrived shortly after. This is right at 6 a.m. in the morning. 2 or 3 police officers arrived. They did their investigation, took a bunch of pictures, went inside the unit, found the rock that the lady used, and they ended up taking her statement. The tenant called me later that day and explained everything that happened. I went down there to see her. I'm hoping the tenant will pay for this window, but ultimately it's my responsibility. This isn't something I can give to the insurance company. It might cost $100, maybe $200. It is an insulated glass panel, but my deductible's $2,500, so that would not make sense. So this is just a cost I'm going to have to eat if the tenant does not pay for it. Later that same day, 2 guys came over to take the broken panel out and to measure and board up the window with plywood. This is a temporary solution, obviously, until the window can be fixed. This was obviously the weekend, so none of the glass shops were open. So Monday morning, that will be taken to the glass shop and see what the damage is. This video serves as a good example that not everything is cupcakes and roses with rental properties. You need to expect the unexpected. So if you enjoyed this video at my expense, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.